Hey gang, today I want to talk about multi-step word problems. Multi, meaning more than one. A lot of times as you go through a word problem, you have more than one thing to do. Okay, and that's where you're going to get a multi-step problem. Those steps could include, they may or may not, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So you've got to remember what those things mean. Okay, with addition, what do we have? Addition, we have grouping things together. We have an amount, we add an amount, we find the total. That's addition. Subtraction, we have an amount, we take an amount away, right? Subtraction. Multiplication is when you're counting the same number over and over and over again. For example, if you have 5 things in front of you, 5 groups in front of you, and there's 3 in each group. There's 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, rather than counting all those 3s, I can say 3 5 times is 15. 5 times 3. So when you have repeated addition, that's multiplication. Division is the opposite. Division is when you have a large group, but you separate it into equal, smaller groups. You have 15 cookies and you put them in stacks of 3. If you put 15 cookies into stacks of 3, you're going to make 5 stacks. 15 divided by 3 is 5. So you have to know what you're doing. Am I adding, putting together? Am I subtracting, taking away some? Am I doing multiplication, counting the same number over and over again? Or am I doing division, where I have a group and I'm putting them into smaller equal groups? That's what you have to figure out. Now, there's no magic tricks here. You have to go slowly. You have to be deliberate. Deliberate means being careful. You got to pay it. What am I doing? You have to ask yourself, what is this sentence telling me? What should I do? Go a sentence at a time through a word problem. Read the whole thing first, and then go back to the beginning. Sorry, what am I doing here? What am I doing here? What am I doing here? Okay, and that way you'll get through the problem. Let's take a look at some examples, and then we'll give it some practice. Okay? First one. Jose had 3 packs of gum. Each pack had 7 pieces of gum in it. Jose gave 5 pieces to his friends. How many pieces of gum does Jose have left? Now, don't try to come up with an answer now. Let's go back to the beginning. Let's see what we have. Jose had 3 packs of gum. Now, you might be the kind of kid who likes to make a simple picture. Now, you don't have to sit and draw something that looks like a pack of gum. I do this. 3 packs of gum. Boom, boom, boom. Okay? Look at the next sentence. Each pack has 7 pieces of gum in it. Each pack. How many were in this one? 7. Shall I put it? I think I should. How many in this one? 7. How many in this one? 7. Okay? I have the same number over and over and over again. What can I do with that? There's 2 things. If you know your multiplication, I can multiply here, can't I? This is 3 times 7. Okay? What is 3 times 7? It's 21. Could I have added? Could I have done addition? Could I have done 7 plus 7 plus 7? Could I have done that? Yes. Repeated addition is multiplication. Now, the better you know your facts, and you should be working on them, this is faster than that is, because this involves a lot of finger counting. That's going to be quicker once you know your facts. Either way, to start out this problem, I need to know how much gum Jose has. He has 21 pieces of gum. Am I done? No, because now what happens? I'm going to keep going with my problem. Notice I've done 2 sentences. I've done a sentence at a time. Jose gave 5 pieces to his friends. Hey guys, here's some gum. Here's what I have. What does he have? 21 pieces. Hey guys, here's some gum. Has an amount and he gives some away. What is that? It's subtraction. So now we're going to do 21 minus 5. All right? I can't do 1 minus 5. You got to go through your steps like you normally would. If you can't subtract, you have to borrow and regroup. Smaller, larger. Smaller here, that's a 1. Larger here, that's 11. 11 minus 5 is 6. 1 comes down. How many pieces of gum does Jose have left? He's got 16 pieces of gum. Multi-step. What were my 2 steps? Multiply or add, and then subtract. Okay? 1 sentence at a time. That wasn't terribly hard, was it? We took a sentence at a time, we wrote down what we had, and we worked all the way through it. Let's try another. Michaela had 47 hair ribbons. She got 16 more hair ribbons for her birthday. She wanted to store all of her ribbons equally in 9 boxes. How many ribbons will she put in each box? Okay, all together reading that problem. It sounds like, oh, it's too much. Sentence at a time, right? Here we go. Michaela had 47 hair ribbons. Okay, I'm not going to draw 47 hair ribbons. I'll put the number. Okay, let's look at the next sentence. She got 16 more ribbons for her birthday. So here's Michaela. She's got 47 ribbons. She got 16 more for her birthday. She got 16 more. What is that? That's addition. Sure. That's addition. She got 16 more. So now I can add those. 7 and 6 is 13. And I got to leave the 3, carry the 1. 1 and 4 is 5. 5 and 1 is 6. She has 63 hair ribbons. Are we done? No, we're only on the second sentence. Let's continue to read. She wanted to store all of her ribbons equally in 9 boxes. She wanted to take her 63 ribbons and she wanted to put them in 9 boxes equally. A little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit there, 9 times. What is that when you have a group and you want to put some equally into each group? That's division. Very good. That's division. So now I want to do 63 divided by 9. Now, boys and girls, there's no trick for this. You have to know your multiplication facts. So think in your head now. 63 divided by 9. 63 is equal to 9 times what? And if you know your facts, it's going to be 9 times 7. Each box would get 7 ribbons. She'd have 9 boxes of 7. 9 times 7 is 63. Multi-step. The first thing we did was add, and then we had to divide. Okay? Got to know your fact. Got to know what you're doing, and you have to know your multiplication facts. All right, let's move on. There were 53 cookies in the pack Mom opened yesterday. Okay, so you can imagine there's Mom. She opens up the pack, 53 cookies. The family ate 11 cookies. Then Mom put the rest equally into 6 snack bags for lunches tomorrow. How many cookies are in each bag? Let's start at the beginning. There were 53 cookies in the pack Mom opened yesterday. Mom says, kids, opens the pack, cookies! 53 cookies. The family ate 11 cookies. Okay, there were 53 cookies and the family ate 11. 53 and they ate 11. What is that? That's subtraction. Okay? 3 minus 1, 2. 5 minus 1, 4. Now there's 42 cookies. There were 53, but the family ate 11, right? So now we're down to 42. Okay? Now what happens? Mom put the rest equally into 6 bags, snack bags for lunches tomorrow. 42 cookies. She said, I'm going to put them into 6 bags equally. What happens when you take a big amount and you put it equally into smaller parts? That is, we just did it on the last one. That's division again. Yeah, it's division. 42. So we're going to take our 42 things. We're going to divide it into 6. We're going to divide it into 6 groups or 6 bags. And again, we want to think, all right, 42 is equal to 6 times what? Now, could we make 6 boxes and count out 42? We could. I'm not gonna try to encourage you to do that because you need to learn your facts. You got to learn your facts. But we certainly could put 6 bags and count out 1, 2, get out of there, 3, 4, 5, 6, and go all the way to 42, and you'll get you'll get the certain number in each bag. But I'd rather you learn your multiplication facts. You're going to need them all the way through school. 6 times what is 42? 6 times 7. 42 divided by 6 is 7. Okay? All right, guys, I can do problem after problem. You have to read a sentence at a time. You have to think to yourself, What am I doing? What's it describing? Am I adding? Am I subtracting? Am I multiplying? Same thing over and over again? Or am I dividing where I'm putting it into smaller equal groups? Okay? Take your time, write things down the way I did, go back, rewind it, watch it again, learn to get in that habit where you're doing the same things that I did, where you're writing things down, okay, little by little, and you will get there, okay? Takes hard work, okay? Anything good in this life requires a little bit of hard work, all right? So work hard. I'm proud of you. You're going to do great.